Hello, my beautiful viewers, and welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV, where we dey drop the G's hot back to back. Hey, Nigerian government, I don't open. Hey, see, my prayers are never in vain. Because I don't dey pray. Say, God, open these people eye. They don't too foolish. And finally, the eye don't open. Una no go believe wetin dey happen, wetin dey ground now. I think say na only me dey reason this thing. I don't know that they reason am with me, but I dey sure say by the time I talk am, una go just dey clap una hand. I think say na only me. Now as e be, hey, see the Senate committee, they don't get meeting. Ask me wetin be the meeting. They don't tell Buhari say all this traveling, moving up and down because you are sick. Any small thing, they go carry and go abroad. Even if this man get headache, now so you go see they don't fly him. Which kind of sickness if he gets? They come tell and say, from now, yeah, no more traveling. If you are sick, we will treat you here. Yes, Nigeria have good hospitals. And if Nigeria does not have good hospitals, my people, I don't understand. You know wetin be 19 billion naira. Ha! If I dey remember this thing in my head, they do pong. 19 billion naira. That money, why you no use them? Equip your hospitals for Nigeria. Only one man, only one big head go dey travel. Say you sick, they go just dey carry am. Any small thing, if this man just gets small pain like this, he don't travel. Now they don't finally get sense. I be like say they don't see wetin they see. You see that money when they use travel. Use them. Your doctors where you get from Nigeria, where you feel say they don't learn well, send them abroad. Let them go and learn. Then buy the necessary equipment, bring it to your country. That way you don't have to move up and down. Yes. Because if only you have sense, all this money you go use and where. People they die of hunger, they repeat them. When I don't know the things where they happen. Now so I watch one news. If you see how people line up, those people, one no wear slippers, the other one slippers cut, the other one clothes don't have. Like they look tattered, and they whole plate. If you see queue, I don't even know who they serve them food. I say see people. Now in government, they pay for person treatment. 19 bill, this money. I mean, my people, no time. Make I know how they feel for this matter. Don't forget to drop that comment there. Meanwhile, another interesting begede for now. This one where I bring I don't know whether to laugh, a bit to cry. But women, una won't kill una self. Now first question where I get, una won't kill una self. Now so this woman just dey. If you see this woman, Ibugu, everywhere bugu. No space. I don't know whether she go use something. I don't know whether not too much food, but please, if you are using something, you have to stop. And if it's food, mind the way you eat. I don't know what I like the chop. When I go chop something, when I not even feel good dream again. Waiting. See this woman. Hey! That's so she sit down for chair. I don't even know how she managed to enter that chair. But the thing be say she sit down. Oh yeah, now she won't stand up now. Wahala come boss. Ordinary stand up. This woman no fit stand up again. Una no go believe say even her fellow women no fit drag am. They need go call men. Hey! Una imagine this kind of body. Bugu. Biggie. Hey! They go call up to 7 people. Una this are the joke. So up to 7 people, they one place, they drag this woman. This side no green shift. This side no green shift. Now so she just did. I just hope say she no enjoy herself. I bet for now whenever watch the video, make we watch up. Hey!
Push it
my own. I go just dey continue to watch this video because I never recover from am. I never recover. My people, no time. See, the thing now, when I watch this video the first time, you know what's in my mind? What if those people no dey? Like, let's say she don't sit down now, she won't stand up. What if nobody there around? I don't know if una dey think am. What did she for do? Now be say she go dey waka everywhere she go with the chair, because the chair no gree comot. If she won't go bath, she go bath with chair. She go... Women, una too like stress. Una too like stress. My people, I bet no time. Make I leave una here with this one. I want to know your comments. Don't forget, tell me anything you think of for the comment section. Don't forget, say, now here, any gist where you find. See, if you dey bored, anytime when you dey bored, you dey your bed or you dey somewhere, just remember one-on-one TV. And make sure say you subscribe so that it go dey easy make you find us. Now here be your entertainment station. Click on that like button, share this video and comment. Don't forget, I'll see you next time. Una no go believe wetin don dey happen now. See, criminals dey everywhere, and the annoying part be say they no go just do wetin they can't do make they waka comot. They go come add another one. I don't know which kind of enjoyment they enjoy. Abeg, men, I get question to ask una. Wetin una dey feel if una dey rape woman? Wetin sweet for inside that? Because at least if na enjoyment sef, two people suppose agree make the thing flow. But this one you go dey hold person. What? My people, this one it happen now. Say this girl dey her on her own. No, she say she dey her room around 2 midnight. Now there this thing happen. This kasala where I bring for her like this. She say before you know it, now so the guy open door, enter inside. And according to her, this one I no can know how it take happen, but he say the guy drug am. I beg. How you go come my house drug me? Say he give her drink, I be give her food. Because arm robber no fit come your house, you dey entertain arm robber. I still dey wonder, but it be like say maybe na injection. Say you force am, can't give her the injection. My people, as it happen like this, now so the girl doze off. Fume. When she can't open her eye, by the time she open her eye, they don't rape and finish. The guy don't enjoy himself. As she can't open her eye, she can't see say the guy hold cutlass. And at that point, nothing where she fit do. If she scream, they go kill her. If she talk, they go nothing where she even want do. And so she just dey. The guy can't carry her television. He can't carry 550 CDs join on top the TV. And on top enjoyment, we just enjoy another person's property. As if say no even do. The girl say as the guy don't carry this thing, he even rape her on top. She thinks say they don't finish. Say the guy go. As he waka come on, so he just turn back. Say no. Say make the girl can't give him blow job. Hey, this part don't make me laugh. I don't dey laugh since yesterday. Una no go understand. He say make a give him blow job. Say I no enjoy the first round so that they go second round. Imagine arm robber. Oh Lord. Arm robber can't tell. Now so the girl too. Wait, no, if now you wait till you go do. Person hold cutlass. What do you want to do? Except say you don't ready make they cut your neck come out. So my sister go. Before you know it, now so he catch the thing with her teeth. Hey, this boy no even see. The only thing where the boy can't see from that time na him ancestors. Una know the kind pain. Una know how that thing feel be. Men, una feel relate. Imagine say they hey, even if they hold on with hand, una won't die. You can't imagine say person teeth, sharp teeth. Now so this guy, they say in the process, now so himself, with the pain and everything, be like say don't drop cutlass, now he want enjoy himself. And so he come bite the girl for back too. See two of them come they bleed inside room. The girl come they shout. And you know say at that moment the boy nothing way if he do because that part now in her life, If they don't hold am, now don't die be that. So the guy don't dey lifeless for ground, they bleed. And so the guy can't carry phone, can't call police. Hey, police people, at least second time wait. See, me, I know the side bad thing. If una do una work, I go dey give una credit. Hey, now like this una supposed to operate. Now so police people come, they can't carry am. And it, you know, funny enough, before police people come, and so this boy waka run. I wonder how you even run. Can't see how this life is very funny. Hospital where this guy go, say they go 3 times. Now there the same hospital, this guy go, say they go 3 times. Can't see confusion everywhere. Now so the guy can't they shout, oh, say that is him, oh, he's the rapist. They can't carry him. Parents, una they play major part for this thing. As una they train una pikin, now so they go grow. Now so they go grow. No be me talk am. They say train your child the way you should grow. But this one now, all the armed robbers what you see for road, they get parents. And the parents, if you are a parent and you are watching me, you have failed. If you are a parent and your child is armed robber or into all those things, let me tell you, you have failed. Because it is your job. It is your job. So my people now, so they can't carry the guy according to what they talk now. Say they try. This thing just is funny. They try fix them. I wonder if that thing will even work again. I've been at the end of this thing because I wish now so they do all the armed robbers. Make all the rapists join. Make we know how many people go remain for this life. They say that they help her now. And the thing now, after they cure and finish, he go prison. Now so it's supposed to be. So my people, now the matter be this. But before I give my final conclusion, for una we never watch the video, I want make una hear from the girl mouth herself as she dey explain everything. Make we watch am.
And my team no be able to know. The kind so. Inti me team and no understand say open there wa ha. Inti me no ro me pants. Me hunya me na ro. I say my asia me on ma dey wi ankasa. And I'm understand say open there wa ha. And I say oberia ye obefire niema ene me phone na ko. And I me pa na cho say me so no. Only on fa niema ne nkoba me ma ne nkume. And I say to say osan me dey bi wansa. Inti wo yi ne be mama me say me interfere on na ne ho sorry na ne mother e na me ka ne be ma no e free ho e na no to ka me chi inti ono to ka me chi
Armed robbers una no get joy oh. Una no get joy. You go thief, make the person come out. Make the person know say okay na thief you can't thief. If they can't rape, make the person know so that they go know how they go set themselves. Una just they cause confusion everywhere. My people, I beg, I want to know una opinion. Whether una think say if this guy recover, make the sentence him to death, I be make it dey prison. Which one you think? Because I not just want to talk this matter now for us. I want hear on our side too.